Hey guys, I'm at it again. Those $2.99 patterns at Hobby Lobby. See you in the inside. These are some of the sales they have going on. Hi guys, I'm Alethea. I'm here with a haul from Hobby Lobby's the $2.99 pattern sales. The cabinets there were stuffed with a lot of patterns, but no catalog. So I went online and made a list, and needless to say, it was an effortless do, because although there were a lot of patterns, I only actually got one that was on my list. Not only did not send the catalogs, but the newer patterns were not there at all. So I started thumbing quickly through with my hand, manually, very quickly, and I pulled some from the cabinets. Now I have 7 in all. 6 are easiest to sew, and I found one Know Me. Yes, Know Me patterns were there. Had some Know Me, but they were some of the ones that were left, least picked, I should say, patterns. So this is mccalls 7757, and as you can see, it is a nice summer off the shoulder set with ruffles, pants, and 3 versions of a top. As you can see, it's labeled very easy. It's called Mrs. Tops and Pants, very loose fitting. So keep that in mind. Off the shoulder tops have elasticated neckline and waist and sleeve variations, ruffles. So this is pretty easy, and it should be easy wearing. It's very loose fitting, it says. And you have pockets. You know, everybody loves pockets on the pants or inside the pants. So mccalls 7757, elastic weight, no waistband, no zipper. The next one is mccalls 8345. I like that. It's a level learn to sew pattern. And you have A, B, and C options. These are your line drawings. Look at the twist in the straps. It's called Mrs. Skirts Overall. Here your suggested fabrics. And you need buckles, overall buckles, 6 jean buttons. I've never worked with jean buttons, but I'm sure it's just like a average button, and it shouldn't be no problem. I like that. I would be excited to work with the buckles and create this look. This is a skirt, a dress. Oh wow, I'm looking at this one. View B. And it has pockets, and of course, everybody loves pockets. So that's mccalls 8345. The next one, I was looking for all types of summer, mainly shorts. So this is a level learn to sew. And you have A, B, and C versions of shorts. It's a medium, it's small, medium, extra small, medium, large pattern. Mrs. Shorts. I'm interested in probably C length. And the notions, just elastic in your fabric. And it's labeled very easy. McCall's 8221. Okay, McCall's 8207. Here's another version of pants and shorts. You have 3 options to choose from. Here are your line drawings. Look how this cup, this waistline comes up. And you probably could add the belts or just leave the belts off. You can. The straps, I'm sorry, just like it is here. But I'm interested in the shorts. So this is also labeled easy. As I said before, you need a zipper and button for this particular pattern. And it has back pockets on the pants, and I'm sure you could probably add them to the shorts. That's McCall's 8207. Now, McCall's 7565. Gotta always get a dress, a loose fitting dress. This is nice. I like the drape, but I got the pattern because I have been watching this for a while. I like this style right here. Although it has buttons, you can easily put snaps. That's an alternative to buttons. And this pattern, here are your line drawings. This pattern is called a Mrs. Dress and Belt. Very loose fitting with the back yoke and hem variations. Nice. And this is McCall's 7565. It's not a rating on this one, but I'm sure it should be easy, in between easy and average, because you got those buttonholes. But it's just a straight wow dress with a collar. And your suggested fabrics are cotton blends, cotton lawn, chambray, crepe de chine. And that's M7565. Now, M7719, always have to get some type of cocktail dress or evening wear. I like this. I'm looking at this dress right here. And to my surprise, it was labeled easy. And here are your line drawings. Simple, easy, a line, straight dress. Looking real nice. This is the back of this one. And of course it's easy. And they're calling this Mrs. Dress close fitting line dresses. Have bodice and skirt variations. Create your own mix and match pattern pieces. Loving it. So you can take this bodice and add to the A line and vice versa. So that's M7719. And the last one is a Know Me. I did pick this up because they were in the drawer and I wanted to get some up to date. Like I said, the drawers were full of patterns. I mean, literally full and stuff of patterns, but they were older or the least popular patterns. So here is Know Me 2014. As you can see, already there's a zipper closure, but this is a nice suit here. And the shorts. And this is the only one that's rated average. It's called a Mrs. Dress Top and Shorts. Here are your line joints, and there are pockets. And you have zippers, separating zippers. This top one, guys, that is actually a dress. This is the front, and this is the back. I didn't notice that at first, and of course, everybody gotta have them pockets. That is so nice. I like that. And then you have just the top and the pants. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Thanks to all of the new subscribers. Please remember to like, share, and give positive comments. I appreciate talking with you. Join the family. It's free, and it really supports the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.